Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Monday.com with Jotform and why it can be a total game changer for your workflow. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to set up the integration step by step, so your data moves smoothly from Jotform submissions straight into your Monday.com boards. Whether you're managing signups, feedback, or custom requests, this connection can save you tons of manual copy-paste time and help you keep tasks organized without missing a beat. Let's get right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is pick the right table inside your Monday.com workspace. Pause a moment here and think about where you want the Jotform data to land. Is it a board that tracks client leads, project tasks, or maybe team feedback? Find the table or board that makes the most sense for your process, because you'll want submissions routed to something you actually use. Once you've found your table, click to open it up so you're starting from the right place. Next up comes the integration itself. Look toward the top of the screen or in your sidebar for the Integrate option. On Monday.com, integrations allow you to connect your favorite apps, whether it's Jotform, Google Drive, or Slack. So your workspace is truly the hub for your workflow. Go ahead and click Integrate. If this menu feels intimidating, don't worry. Monday's integration process is pretty visual, and you can always back out and restart if you click something by mistake. Now let's make things specific to Jotform. In the integrations list or search bar, type in Jotform. If you've never used this integration before, it'll prompt you to install it. Installation is super straightforward. Just hit the Install button and confirm. This action sets up the bridge between your Monday.com account and your Jotform submissions. It's almost like running a cable between two offices so information can travel directly. You're laying the groundwork for your automation here. After installation, you get to pick an automation template. What is that? Think of templates as ready-made recipes for how new info from Jotform will show up in Monday.com. Maybe you want every new Jotform submission to create a new item in your board, or perhaps update something existing. Browse through the available templates for Jotform. Monday.com will offer several, usually with clear descriptions. Pick the one that fits the way you want your data handled. For instance, if you're collecting new requests from clients, choose a template that automatically adds those as new tasks. Once your template is chosen, click Use Template. This step basically copies the automation into your workspace so you can tweak it to your needs. Now, it's time to connect your actual Jotform account. You'll be asked to log in or authenticate your Jotform. This connection is crucial. Imagine putting your key into a lock so two apps can talk to each other securely. If it asks for permissions, grant what's needed. The integration only works if both sides can share data. With your accounts linked, you'll see a chance to edit the automation before saving. This is where the magic happens. Customize things like which fields from Jotform map to which columns in Monday.com. Do you want notifications or special tags added? Take a moment to walk through the options. If you've never set up an automation before, don't stress. Each field typically comes with a small explanation. If something isn't clear, just hover over the info icons or look for sample data. It's built to be beginner-friendly. Once you've edited and confirmed your automation, hit Done or Save. That's it. You've now integrated Jotform with Monday.com, streamlining your entire workflow. From here on, whenever someone fills out your form, their responses will land straight into your Monday.com board, ready for action. It's instant, hands-off efficiency. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Got any questions about integrations, Monday.com, or Jotform? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy-to-follow guides, just like this one. Thanks for watching.